Welcome to CreditWise USA today. I want to share a powerful truth that most people never talk about. This truth can completely change how you see money, success, and life. If you understand this message deeply, it can save you years of stress, regret, and financial struggle. Most people you see online are not actually rich. They're just very good at pretending. Social media shows you luxury cars, big houses, fancy vacations, designer clothes, and expensive gadgets. But what you don't see is the reality behind all of this. Many luxury cars are bought using heavy debt. People sign long contracts with huge monthly payments just to look successful. They drive expensive cars, but inside they feel constant pressure and fear of missing payments. Many big houses are paid for with long and stressful loans. These homes look beautiful, but the owners worry every month about bills, taxes, maintenance, and loan payments that never seem to end. Designer clothes and expensive gadgets are often purchased using credit cards. People swipe cards for quick happiness, but later they deal with high interest, growing debt, and constant stress. This lifestyle looks amazing on social media, but in real life, it creates pressure, anxiety, stress, and endless monthly payments. Slowly, this destroys peace, happiness, and mental health. Fake rich people focus on showing off. They chase likes, attention, validation, and approval from strangers online. Their happiness depends on what others think. But real rich people think very differently. They focus on peace, freedom, security, and smart money decisions. They understand that real success is not about impressing others. Real success is about building a life where you control your time, your choices, and your future. It means living life on your own terms, not someone else's expectations. Real rich people do not care about looking wealthy. They care about being wealthy. They live simple lives, spend intentionally, and avoid useless debt. They invest their money into things that grow over time. Instead of wasting money on short-term pleasure, they build long-term financial security. This powerful mindset is exactly what we teach every day on CreditWise USA. Our goal is not to help you look rich. Our goal is to help you become financially free. We want you to live life on your own terms. We want you to wake up without fear, stress, or anxiety about money. Now think about this for a moment. How many people do you know who drive expensive cars but feel stressed all the time? How many people live in big houses but worry every month about paying bills? How many people wear designer clothes but feel trapped in jobs they hate just to maintain a lifestyle they cannot afford? This is the trap of fake wealth. Millions of people fall into it every single year without even realizing it. Society teaches us to buy things we do not need, with money we do not have, to impress people we do not even like. This creates a dangerous cycle of debt, stress, pressure, and disappointment that never seems to end. Real wealth works in the opposite direction. It is built slowly, patiently, and quietly. It starts with discipline, budgeting, smart spending, investing, and long-term thinking. It means saying no to short-term pleasure so you can say yes to long-term freedom. It means choosing financial peace over social validation and independence over appearance. When you stop trying to impress others, you start building a life that actually matters. A life where you wake up without fear of bills. A life where money becomes a tool, not a source of stress. A life where you have time for your family, your health, your dreams, and your happiness. A life where you choose how to spend your days, not your boss, not debt, and not financial pressure. This is what true success really looks like. Freedom of time, freedom of choice, and freedom of mind. Once you experience this freedom, you will never want to go back to fake wealth again. Remember, real rich people do not rush. They plan, they save, they invest. And they build systems that create income even when they sleep. Fake rich people rush to buy things they cannot afford just to feel important for a moment. Then they spend years paying for that emotional decision with stress, pressure, and regret. If you truly want to change your financial future, the first thing you must change is your mindset. Stop comparing yourself to others. Stop chasing trends. Stop trying to keep up with social media lifestyles. Stop upgrading your lifestyle before upgrading your income. Start focusing on building real assets. Start learning money skills. Start creating multiple streams of income. Understand this clearly. Wealth is not built by luck. Wealth is built by knowledge, discipline, and consistency. This is why you are here with CreditWise USA. We believe everyone deserves access to simple and practical financial education that actually works, no matter where you start, no matter your income level, no matter your past mistakes. You can always make better choices starting today. One small, smart decision today can completely change your future. One new habit can lead to financial freedom over time. If this message helped you or opened your eyes even a little, take a moment to reflect on your financial journey. Ask yourself, am I building real wealth or just chasing fake appearances? Now take a second and drop a comment below. Let us know what part of this message impacted you the most. Share this video with your friends and family so more people can learn the truth. Help others escape the trap of fake wealth and start building a future filled with freedom, peace, and financial security. Together we can help more people take control of their money and their life. This is the mission of CreditWise USA, to educate, empower, and inspire financial freedom for everyone. Thank you for watching. Stay wise, stay disciplined, and stay committed to your financial journey with CreditWise USA.